The construction industry scheme contains rules set out by HMRC on how subcontractors working within the construction industry should be paid. It allows you as a subcontractor to make a deduction of 20% or 30% on your invoices for relevant customers. Okappy's workforce management platform allows for CIS deductions to be included on an invoice. This video explains how to set up CIS deductions for a customer. CIS deductions are allowed on labor costs only. To enable CIS on your labor, click Invoice Options. Click Account Settings. Click the checkbox for CIS on labor. Press Update Defaults. Next, add the CIS rate for your customer. Choose the relevant customer from the connection screen. Click the three dots and then Account Settings. Add the CIS rate for your customer. This is typically 20%. Click Update Account Settings. You can now raise your invoices for your customer. The CIS deduction will be included on any labor charged. You can see the CIS rate on the invoice preview and on your final invoice.